Good morning. I hope everyone is doing very well. Okay, not well, actually, I guess there is some stuff you do have to have done today. Looks like a lot, but hopefully it's not actually that much. Okay, so statistics, morning math, which was I had that posted yesterday just after our lesson. That should be done today by 8:30 so that I'm able to do the review at 9 o'clock. If everyone isn't done it, then I'm not going to be able to do the review. So please, please, please make sure that you have done that so we're not held up too much. And then I'll be sending out another reminder like pretty much right away to people who have not yet done it. To everyone who has, thank you. And I will be giving you a Class Dojo point for that. So thank you very much. Probability, the warm-up thing, which was on Seesaw, it was with the mittens. It should have been quite easy to do. You're just using the terminology that we learned yesterday for probability. Easy kind of little warm-up thing. Today we're going to get much further into probability. Oh, one more thing for math. A reminder that yesterday on our agenda, which I know that not very many of you watched the video, I suggest you go back and watch the video even after watching this right now, so that you can see the study guide for math, because we have a unit like show what you know coming up in 1 week, which will be on Monday of next week, since I gave out the study guide yesterday. So it's on the math page, and if you want to hear me further going over it, go watch the agenda message from last night. Okay. And then Bernoulli's Bridge, that was the lab that I wanted you to do from yesterday's science lesson. Please post that you had to do the hypothesis, and then the observations, which was the most important, and then the analysis. So that is on Seesaw. That should be done by 1 o'clock. Wow. Bridge by 1 o'clock. Okay, on to Seesaw. Pillars of Democracy, self-evaluation. I put it onto have I put onto Seesaw yet? Maybe not. I'll put on right away. Also, that's gonna be part of our social studies lessons today, but you could get a little bit ahead on just like filling out your own self-evaluation for that. And then reminder, I still have not started marking the poems. Today, I hope to have time. Yeah, so if you haven't put up the poem of your choice yet on the ELA page, please do that. Okay, here is what we have on today. I actually don't have a new Prodigy thing today. I'm going to put one up probably over the next couple days once we get a bit further into probability. And then you do not have Arabic or UAE social studies today, which is kind of nice, and the rest of the day is actually quite normal. I put science and then social in that order. We don't have anybody on for today, and this does kind of count you guys for moral education. So I do suggest that you do this. Sammy, you're up tomorrow, and then Maddie's on Thursday, so start thinking about what you guys want to do. Okay, so today I will make one up. Oh, I'm not sure if we saw Rita's from yesterday. Maybe Rita, if you could post yours, then we could do that today. That would be great, since I think it was missed from yesterday. So Rita, just post something that you want everyone to do for activity. Okay. All right, for math, okay, this is super important. I would like you to check your messages from me in Edmodo. If you do not have a message from me in Edmodo, it means that you have everything great. It means you've submitted everything. So well done. Other people, there's a few things that I need you to do. Both of them are on Seesaw, okay? One of them is this is from last week, and this is counting for marks for homework on the report card. So you do need to have it done. It should be an easy method to help elevate your marks. Homework marks are meant to be something that boosts you up, not bringing you down. But if you don't have it done, then I can't give it good marks. So it was page 266. You had to choose between questions 4 to 6 to do one of them. Post that graph on Seesaw. Then the other one was from the workbook, page 95, question 1. Okay? Some people have posted things. Just go into the Seesaw and read what I wrote to you, because some people have posted things that wasn't the right question. Well, I'm asking you to resubmit it. So anyway, and also I've sent you private messages in your Edmodo. So you guys need to get that done today, because I'm entering these marks, and I don't if I don't have it today, I'm giving a 0. So you need to give me something other to write other than a 0. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And also, one little thing, guys, your teachers in grade 7 are not going to be this flexible with giving you these extensions and reminders. If you don't have it, it's going to be a 0. So I'm sort of getting you into that. That was what I did yesterday with the math for the thing that I put on Edmodo from Sunday. If you didn't do it by 8:30, I gave 4 verbal reminders on that. If you didn't do it, I'm writing down a 0. It's not gonna really hurt you that much as long as you have the other homework things handed in. So, and that's what it's gonna be like next year. So please make sure that you are staying on top of this stuff, and it only is helping you. Okay. All right, ELA, we're doing a new writing lesson 10. Be sure that you finished all of the readings. Explorers, I've actually started entering marks for that. So if you are not done, you're getting a 0 unless I hear from you. I'm not chasing anybody up anymore. And then the one poem of your choice, please continue to submit that as well. Okay, social studies, we have a new lesson at 2 o'clock, and then I put self-evaluations on Seesaw, which I'd like you to do, and then I'll explain those more once we get to social studies. Science, we're doing more on Bernoulli's principle, which is going to be first at 1 o'clock, and then social studies at 2. So this is the overall plan. Oh no, that's not it. Sorry, this is the overall plan, this one, for today. So you don't have any Arabic or anything. Catch up for math, review new lesson, science, yeah, just that. Okay, good, see you soon.